Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send a message later, how to schedule a message on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So in order to do that, we need to open messages, of course. Now, there's one important thing that you need to know about. Apparently you cannot send scheduled messages to those that do not have iPhones. For instance, over here I have this conversation with myself from my other device, and this one is from Android. And if I press this plus button over here, then there is no option to send later. Even if I go to more, the option is missing. However, if I try to contact my friend who also has an iPhone, then in this case I can press this plus button, and now I can press send later. And now once you have this option, then you can tap over here on this blue field in order to choose when you want to send it. You can choose the day and time as well. And of course, once you send the message, once you enter the message that you want to send, then simply press this arrow over here, this blue arrow, or just simply press return in order to confirm. And that's how we can schedule a message. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!